Hey guys, I decided I'd work on the 5865 today, so let's take a peek here. Well, the first thing I noticed is that it had no oil in the motor, which that's definitely not a good sign. It also has the wrong spark plug in it. Some idiot put a CJ8 in there, so that's going to have to be fixed. But the blower housing down here is totally rotted out. It's pretty bad. Never seen one so bad. The handlebars here, I've never seen this happen either. It's like the paint's just peeling off like crazy. I noticed down here that there's no cap on the transmission oil fill. That kind of scares me. And I'm not sure what the heck's going on there. But other than that, I took the air cleaner off the carb here. I'm going to take the carb out and clean out the bowl area. And this has the steering brakes on it. Let's see here. Gas tank is empty. It's got a little bit of crap in the bottom, so I'm going to try to rinse it out and clean that up before I put gas in there. It's got the plow up here, the quick hitch plow. And this stuff is rusted solid. It won't even pivot on the quick hitch horn here. So I don't understand why this thing's so rusty. Kind of wonder if it was in a flood or something like that, but there's some serious rust on this baby. So I'm going to proceed with the gas tank and the carb here, and I'm going to throw a different battery in there and see if we can start her up. Okay, well, I filled up the transmission with oil, filled up the crankcase with oil, took the carb apart and cleaned it out, remounted it. I've got a correct spark plug here, the H10C, and I'm going to put it on there and see if we got any spark. Well, we'll see if it will start. Put some gas in there. Oh, I love smelling burning mouse nests. That's awesome. Well, I guess it runs. Has no throttle cable on it. I gotta put that on. That's cool. Talk about smoke burning out. Holy crap. Who knows how much water's in that muffler? Whew. Smells like burnt mouse.